Both goalkeepers had their hands full Wednesday night as Rowan took on the College of Staten Island. With the score already 1-0, Travis Ward collected his second tally of the evening as he corralled a rebound and gave the Profs a 2-0 lead. In the 54th minute, Nermine Kurtzy drilled a free kick, putting Staten Island to within 1. Then both goalies started to shine as John Gioli made a big stop on a furious Rowan attack. Then with the game still 2-1, Rowan netminder Kevin Vasta stymied 2 potential game-tying goals. The Profs got an insurance tally in the 74th minute on a brilliant one-timer from Marco Fernandez. The Profs moved to 2-3 on the season and finish out its homestand Saturday afternoon against John Jay College.